When thinking of a shed or a garage, most people will conjure up an image of a dark, damp, and moldy room that's used for parking a car or storing all kinds of junk. You know, all the stuff you don't want to throw out but don't want to look at all day either. But you can do so much more with it. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Take a look at what this owner did to make over his garage. You won't recognize it at all. You might not immediately think of a cozy and beautifully decorated living space when you think of a garage. But you can turn it into a fun playroom, a place to hang out with friends, a guest bedroom, or simply a nice extra living space you can rent out to tourists on websites like Airbnb. It might be a good idea to let your imagination run wild, because the pictures below show you can do something really special with your garage. The owner of this seemingly normal garage gave it a really special makeover. The result is amazing. What do you think about this amazing garage conversion?